Hey, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Stan. I'm a real estate agent here in the state of Florida, and I'm local expert in the city of Fort Lauderdale. And today I'm gonna take you on an in-depth tour of Victoria Park, one of the most sought after and vibrant neighborhoods here in the city of Fort Lauderdale. And if you're looking to buy, rent, or just interested to know what this neighborhood has to offer, I got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive in. The neighborhood was developed back in early 1920s and called after actual Victoria Park, which in turn was called after Queen Victoria. The park is a beautiful location with a lot of greenery, trails, and even a lake behind me, and it's a perfect spot for picnic or day off with the family. Victoria Park has little something for everyone, either you're looking for outdoors activities or place to drink a cup of coffee, or if you're enjoying nightlife with your friends. Victoria Park is an urban neighborhood with a strong suburban feel to it. You can see trees and other greenery literally on every corner. It spans over 1 square mile and home to a little under 8,000 neighbors. Niche.com and AreaVibes.com rate Victoria Park as an excellent area to live and as a neighborhood with one of the lowest crime rates in the state and in the country. According to AreaVibes.com, Victoria Park's crime rate is 60% lower than the rest of Fort Lauderdale, 74% lower than the Florida, and 79% lower than the rest of the United States. Also, being home to some of the best schools in the area, it doesn't come as a surprise that families with kids decide to live here, and according to citydata.com, they make up about 3/4 of all households. Victoria Park offers a variety of housing options to fit different lifestyles and budgets. The neighborhood features a mix of historic homes, mid-century architecture, modern townhouses, and luxury condominiums. You'll find Mediterranean Revival, Art Deco, and contemporary designs here. Property value has been steadily increasing, making it a desirable area for both families and investors. And whether you're a first-time home buyer, a grown family, or looking to downsize, you'll find the perfect home here. Let's briefly talk about differences between condos, townhouses, and single-family homes, and see what each has to offer and which one might be right for you. Condominiums are generally more affordable than single-family homes, making them a good entry point for the first-time buyers. Many condos come with shared amenities like pools, gyms, community areas, which might not be available for the single-family homes. Exterior maintenance, landscaping, and repairs are typically handled by the homeowners association, reducing the owner's responsibility. And condos often provide better security with gated entrance, doorman, front desk, and surveillance. On the split side, monthly HOA fees can be high and may increase over time, covering amenities, maintenance, and other services. Sharing walls with neighbors means less privacy and potential noise issues. HOA imposes rules that might limit personal freedoms, such as restrictions on pet ownership or renovations. Also, condos may appreciate slower than single-family homes, impacting long-term investment potential. Townhouses are typically less expensive than single-family homes, but more costly than condos, offering a middle ground. Generally more spacious than condos, often with multiple floors and private outdoors areas. Owners have more control over their property, including the exterior and possibly the land it's built on. Townhouses often foster a community atmosphere without extensive shared living space of condos. On the other side of the coin, townhouses may also have HOA fees, though typically lower than condos but still an extra cost. Owners are responsible for both the exterior and interior maintenance, which can be time-consuming and costly. Shared walls means less privacy than single-family home, though usually more than a condo. Exterior modifications might be also restricted by HOA. Single-family homes are detached homes, offer the highest level of privacy with no shared walls. Usually these homes have more interior space and larger yards, providing more room for families. Owners have complete control over their property with no HOA restrictions on modifications or usage. Single-family homes often appreciate faster, making them potentially better long-term investments. On the contrary, they are generally the most expensive option in terms of purchase price and maintenance costs. Owners are responsible for all maintenance and repairs, both interior and exterior, which can be demanding and costly. Single-family homes lack built-in amenities like pools, gyms, which would require additional investment if owner decided to install one. and greater responsibility for upkeep can be time-consuming, particularly for large properties. This is a prime example of what houses look like in Victoria Park. There's a bunch of new houses, new construction, and there's something as classic as this home. So this was built originally in 1941. You can see that this archway original from 1941. They still kept it this way, right? Obviously they remodeled it. It's completely staged and remodeled. Kitchen is redone. All the appliances are brand new. It's a pretty cozy 2-2 with a little under 1,400 square feet. Let's go to the room. Let's look at it. There's brand new light fixtures. Pretty cool window shutters there. Look at this wooden closet space. There's another room. And bathrooms. Bathrooms are completely redone. Come on in, let's take a look. So they have Italian marble here. All the appliances are brand new, faucets, shower heads. Looks pretty cool and modern. All right, let's go out. There's another bathroom that way. It's a full 2-2. It's not a half bathroom, it's a full bathroom. In summary, condos are ideal for those seeking lower costs, less maintenance, and more amenities, but willing to trade some privacy and control. Townhouses offer balance between condos and single-family homes, providing more space and ownership control with some shared maintenance responsibilities and community living. Single-family homes are best for buyers prioritizing privacy, space, long-term investment potential, but come with high costs and maintenance responsibilities. And as for the pricing, according to Redfin's webpage, median price for the condos range between $350,000 and $450,000, median price for townhouses around $960,000, and median price for the single-family homes is between $1 to $1.4 million. For families, quality of school is a major consideration, and Victoria Park is a home to some of the top-rated schools, just like St. Anthony's School behind me, or Virginia Schumann Young Elementary School, which is literally a few blocks away from here. Established in 1926 in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, St. Anthony's School embodies unity of traditional values and high-tech approach, offering rigorous academics and diverse extracurricular and athletic activities. Due to dedicated top-tier teachers, school and its students consistently achieve high test results. And here are some more highly rated schools that serve Victoria Park. Galleria Mall is the premier shopping destination, offering a variety of high-end boutiques and popular retail chains, and conveniently located within 5 minutes away from Victoria Park. Victoria Park Shops Plaza is a perfect little spot to grab a snack or cup of coffee. And as for the grocery shopping, Publix and Fresh Market have you covered with a wide selection of fresh produce, quality meat and gourmet items. Whether you're prepping for a family dinner or a quick snack, you'll find everything you need right here. And if you're looking for fine dining, whether it be a hidden gem or famous steakhouse, Victoria Park has something for everyone. Las Olas Boulevard is within few steps away from Victoria Park and is the heart of the city's vibrant lifestyle, offering a blend of culture, cuisine, shopping and entertainment. When you're exploring Las Olas, you'll be immersed in a dynamic mix of experiences. It's renowned for its diverse culinary scene, featuring everything from traditional comfort food to authentic Italian dishes and flavorful Mexican cuisine. Shopping enthusiasts will love 75 boutique stores offering fashion, accessories, and unique gifts. Las Olas also shines after dark with its lively nightlife, from sophisticated cocktail lounges to the bustling ambience of pubs and restaurants. There's something for everyone. Live music and dancing venues ensure an unforgettable evening in Las Olas. And if you're a nightlife enthusiast and looking for a night out with friends, there's a variety of rooftop bars and lounges. If you're among the ones that enjoy the great outdoors, fresh air, and active lifestyle, then Victoria Park is perfect for you. There is numerous amount of parks in the area, including the one this neighborhood is named after, but the biggest one among those would be the Holiday Park. Holiday Park is a perfect spot to spend day with family or if you enjoy an active lifestyle. And as for the activities, there is softball and baseball field, walking trails, volleyball and basketball courts, athletic equipment, multiple football and soccer fields. There is also a dog park, roller skating rink, racquetball court. There is also plenty of picnic tables in the area. You can also find tennis and pickleball courts. There is also Florida Panthers ice skating arena. If you live in a condo, you might have a gym in a building, but if not, there is a new fitness center that's literally a few steps away from Holiday Park. And if you would prefer to spend day on the water, there is jet ski and kayak rentals. When talking about transportation infrastructure, Victoria Park is nestled in between few significant routes. To the west, it's outlined by US 1, which stretches for roughly 2,300 miles, starting at the southernmost point at Key West and running all the way up north to the Fort Kent. To the south, we have East Broward Boulevard, which in turn connects to I-95, the main interstate highway on the east coast of the country. To the east, there are a plethora of canals, and that's where waterfront properties are located, allowing enough space for kayaking or to park a boat. And to the north, there is East Sunrise Boulevard, connecting Victoria Park to the beach, which is conveniently located about 5 minutes away. If you love Disney and would want to spend a weekend with family in Orlando, but the idea of driving there terrifies you, don't worry, there's Brightline train station a few blocks away, and it will take you from Fort Lauderdale to Orlando in under 3 hours. If you're looking to navigate around the town while enjoying the day on the water, look no further than Water Taxi. It's a relaxing way to enjoy a historic area, whether you're in the mood for world-class shopping, diverse dining options, enjoying the romantic glow of sunset, or taking in the local nightlife. Water Taxi has multiple stops throughout Fort Lauderdale and operates 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can also enjoy Water Trolley, a free service provided by City of Fort Lauderdale and operated by Water Taxi. If you want to know what to do in the area and interested in community social events, Victoria Park has a lot to offer. Built back in 1950, the War Memorial Auditorium is a historic multi-purpose venue that has been used for a variety of events including concerts, sporting events, conventions, trade shows, and community gatherings. Parker Playhouse is a historic theater that's first opened its doors in 1967 and ever since been a significant venue for a variety of performances, including Broadway production, concerts, and comedy shows. If you opt for classic or independent film, then Getaway Classic Movie Theater is a spot for you. Fort Lauderdale Artwork happens last Saturday of every month, and if you want to enjoy a collaboration of art, music, and food, this venue is definitely something you want to visit. Make sure to take part in neighborhood seasonal events like Easter Egg Hunt, 4th of July Spectacular, Halloween Block Party, and Holiday Lights Festival. Las Olas Food and Wine Festival is a celebration of culinary excellence, fine wines, and community spirit, all for a good cause. It offers a unique opportunity to taste the best of Fort Lauderdale foods, enjoy live entertainment, and contribute to the fight against lung disease. And if you enjoy outdoors activities, make sure to visit local farmers market or yoga in the park. Victoria Park in Fort Lauderdale is a highly desirable neighborhood that offers something for everyone. Its blend of historic charm and modern amenities, along with a strong sense of community, makes it a great place to live, work, and play. Whether you're looking to buy a home, invest in a property, or simply enjoy a vibrant neighborhood, Victoria Park is an excellent choice.